Every human being has 24 hours in a day to get stuff done, to go to work, but that's different for you if you are a designer. 5 things that can improve your design speed. Write things down. Like as the visual you say, the dullest pen is sharper than the sharpest pen. That's what they talk about. And that is really actually it. Write things down. But in this point, write down the things or things you want to do in the design. The second thing here is learn to use previewed style guides. Just find a style guide that can easily import, drag and drop, and everything becomes really easy. The third thing we want to talk about is learn keyboard shortcuts. I understand it can be difficulties when you switch between Mac to PC. Since I got my Mac, I've been having that issues where I define control where command supposed to be, I define command where control supposed to be. But then you could just get used to The first step, that is increase your mouse speed, is also a basic cheat sheet. Like increase the speed of your mouse. It's really easy. If you are using Windows, smash the Windows button, go to settings. When you enter settings, go to devices. From devices, click on mouse. Now you go see say e dey 10. Normally na so e dey be, dey come with 10. Increase it from 10 to like 19 to 18, and you will see that it becomes faster. At first, in the beginning, you go dey one kind, but you will get used to it. The fourth thing, the final thing is knack that subscribe button, knack that like button. If you like this video, thank you. Right, it's really easy for us to get carried away and get into other things after activities, but then practicing these 4 steps that I mentioned above consistently, e dey choke normally. This really helps. I found that these steps help me. Another thing, like no dey do pass yourself. Normally you want to use that new thing we just learned, but no dey do pass yourself. Leave all these awesome auto layouts that you are learning and doing, like going to YouTube to learn, for when you are practicing on your own project. And when you get deadline, they choke you. Do wetin you sabi. Use your groups and use your rectangle. If you are learning while on a deadline, no get wetin you wan tell me, you no fit fast. Tell me in the comments other steps wey you dey use, all those kind of things. So if you want to learn auto layout, right, click on this video by the right and click on the video on the left to understand the concept of auto layout, from how to create responsive frames, like responsive tables. So bye.